Hello and welcome. Today we'll be looking at an IM30 240NE from the Hoshizaki range and how to install it. This will cover the whole of the IM range from the IM30 to the IM240NE. You can see here when you receive your machine there will be a lead in the side of the box. So make sure that's not thrown out. Okay, so now we've got our install kit which is located inside the machine. It has our legs, our drain and our water inlet line. Rightio, now we're going to put the legs on the machine. We've slid the machine slightly forward on the pallet and we will then just screw them into the bottom of the machine where there is a pressed metal base. Now we're putting our power in. So our power is very simple, plug connector, straight into the point there, and that's our power done. Following our power, we'll put our water on, and this is just normal tap water, goes onto this point here, the top point, the screw-on fitting. That's how our water is then connected to the tap. Okay, if you're installing a check valve and a water filter, you would do it like this. The check valve will screw onto the tap, like so. Alrighty, we're fitting a water filter. We have an inlet side of the water filter, so we would screw on there. We've come from our check valve at our tap onto our water filter. Our water filter will then go outlet of the water filter to the back of the machine. It's always good to install a water filter to ensure the validity of your warranty claims. We then have our drain, which is supplied with a rubber ring, and that fits into the top of the drain there and is screwed onto the back of the machine. Now, with all the IM range, the drain is gravity fed. It needs to run downhill. If the drain is running uphill, you will end up with water sitting in the bin and filling the ice storage area, melting the ice. Once we've got our water and our power and drainage all hooked up, our next thing is to remove the tape on the bin switch. Now, all of the IM range have tape on the bin switch. Sometimes you may have to look into the bin and look upwards on the larger IM240NEs, but in general, all the IM range will have the tape and it will stop the machine from working. If the machine's plugged in with the tape still in it, you'll get an on the screen and nothing will happen. That concludes our installation of the IM range. I'm Brad from National Ice Parts. Have a good day.